classic cars? Check this one out. Not only is this a classic car, it's also a Bluetooth speaker. Ain't that cool? Let's get it opened up and check it out. Good folks over at WSTER gifted me this to do a little unboxing. Show you what you get, try it out, and let you know what I think about it. So let's proceed. As your little instruction paper here. Really not a whole lot to it. You don't need a big user manual. Just simple instructions will get you by. Ooh, check that out. I'm not real sure. Maybe 57, 58 Plymouth Fury, maybe. I'm not real sure, but it looks really cool. I like that red. It is a 10-watt speaker, by the way, so it should sound pretty decent. It does come with a USB-A to USB-C charging cord and a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cord. Let's take a closer look. Okay, right here we have a USB-C charging port, a USB-A port where you can plug in a thumb drive. You have a TF card slot. You can put music on a TF card, insert it in here, and listen to it through your speaker. Have a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cord. Okay, right here you have your power button. Press it and hold, and it will turn it on or off. And if you have it on and you just short press it, it will switch between the USB, TF, and radio. It does have a built-in radio. Right here is your play and pause button. You just short press it and it will play or pause your music that is playing. If you have it in the FM mode, it will mute the speaker. And if you press and hold it, it will scan to your radio stations and it will save them to memory. Right here, you have your volume down button. Press and hold to turn the volume down. If you just press it once and you are listening to your music through your phone or something like an MP3, it will go to the previous track. And if you have it in the radio mode and you just short press it, it will go to the previous radio station. Right here, you have your volume up button. You can long press it to turn the volume up, short press it to go to your next song, or if you have it in the radio mode, it'll go to your next radio station. Also on your play and pause button, if you have this connected to your phone and you do get a phone call, you can just short press it and it will answer the phone call. Short press it again to hang up. Now, let's see what it sounds like.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, to connect to your phone, you just want to open up your Bluetooth settings, scroll down, and it should pop up WS-1965. Click on that, and it'll say pairing. You are paired. All there is to that. Really simple. Really cool looking headlights. I like that. Adds a little accent to it. Let's see what it sounds like now. Yellow.
Well, I survived.
Okay, what did you think about it? I tell you what, we was checking out the music and I got a phone call, but it couldn't have come at a better time because I got to see what they thought it sounded like, you know, talking on the phone through the speaker. She said that you could tell that I was talking through something, but it sounded good, and the reception on it sounded really good coming through this speaker. A whole lot better than just your regular phone. Done a really nice job. Sounds good, looks good. I don't know what else to say about it. It's a thumbs up in my book. I like it. Hey, if you want to check this out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you like these kind of speakers like this, I have got several more for you to check out over in this playlist right there. You may want to go over there and look, see what all there is, and then make your decision. Some of them are 10 watt, some of them are 15 watt. Some of them are tractors, some of them are muscle cars. You just don't know. Go check it out. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.